Hey guys, Kevin with American Garage Door Supply here. You know, most of the time we talk about our world famous polycarbonate doors named the Survivor, but today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about our insulated wash bay door. There's thousands of businesses out there that love these doors. I know you'll love them too. Let's take a look. American Garage Door Supply's wash bay doors uses an extruded polystyrene, which doesn't absorb moisture like most other insulation products. The key here with this product is we have a 3-inch thick section with a tongue and groove meeting rail that sheds moisture, and it really is a top-notch product, especially if you want an insulated door and it's in a wash bay or corrosive or otherwise wet environment. Today we're here in northern Minnesota at a Department of Transportation, and this is where they wash down the plow trucks, the gravel trucks, and the other equipment that they use to keep our roads safe and clear, especially on those tough winter days. At this facility they wash these vehicles down, and they're heavy in salt and very corrosive agents that they put on the road. So they needed a wash bay door that was insulated so they could retain the heat in the building, but they needed all the amenities that a great wash bay door possesses, such as stainless steel hardware, magnum rollers, and other types of hardware that really will handle the situation. Now, the reason why we were called to this particular facility was the doors were rotting out. Now, you can see that the hardware is starting to deteriorate, rust is setting in, corrosion is making the parts fall apart, and it won't be long before that door is inoperable. A service person is going to be called to repair the door. So basically, they're closed. So they selected the Platinum model, and they knew that that was just the ticket for this type of operation. They chose to go with our Platinum hardware package, which is absolutely mandatory for harsh conditions like the ones we saw here. This package replaces all of those usual failure points in the door with stainless steel hardware, and it ensures their doors will operate properly for many years to come. Okay guys, that's one door down and we got 3 to go. If you have a facility that has similar exposures, if it's wet, dirty, corrosive, check out our insulated wash bay door system. You can find it at carwashdoors.com or give our team a call at 800-233-1487 and let our experience go to work for you.